Example 7.3. Two light sources of equal amplitudes interfere with each other. Calculate the ratio of maximum and minimum intensities. Now here the amplitudes of the two light sources are equal. So we can take, let A be the amplitude. Okay. So when the amplitude of the sources are equal, the intensity is I is proportional to 4a square cos square 5 by 2. This is the formula. Okay. Now we have to find out the ratio of maximum and minimum intensity. Okay. So here we can write a square as I0. So I can write it as I is equal to 4I0 cos square 5 by 2. Okay. Now, when the intensity is maximum, when phi is equal to 0. Okay. So if I substitute phi is equal to 0, cos phi will become what? 1. Okay. So cos phi will become what? 1. So intensity is equal to, so I maximum is equal to 4 a square. I maximum is equal to what? 4 a square. Or you can write I maximum is proportional to 4 a square. Okay. Now when the intensity is minimum, when phi is equal to 5. Okay. So what is your cos pi by 2 value will become what? 0. Okay. Here it is pi by 2. So it is cos pi by 2 value will become what? 0. So what is your value of I minimum? I minimum is equal to 0. So what is the ratio of I maximum is to I minimum? That is nothing but what? 4a square is to 0. 4a square is to what? 0. Example 7.2. Two light sources with amplitudes 5 units and 3 units respectively interfere with each other. Calculate the ratio of maximum and minimum intensities. Now what is given here is the amplitudes are given. So what is given? A1 is equal to 5 and A2 is equal to 3. Now what is asked is the ratio of maximum and minimum intensity. Okay. So maximum intensity, okay, that is I maximum. I maximum is proportional to A maximum square. I maximum is proportional to what? A maximum square. So what is A maximum? A maximum is equal to root of A1 plus A2 the whole square. Okay. Similarly, minimum intensity. I minimum is proportional to A minimum the whole square. So what is A minimum? A minimum is equal to root of A1 minus A2 the whole square. Now what is asked here is I maximum, the ratio of maximum intensity and minimum intensity. So I maximum by I minimum is equal to A maximum the whole square divided by A minimum the whole square. Okay. So which can be written as A maximum the whole square is A1 plus A2. Okay. The whole square. Divided by A1 minus A2 the whole square. Now substituting, it is 5 plus 3 the whole square by 5 minus 3 the whole square. So it is 8 square by 2 square. Okay. So which is equal to what? 64 by 4, which is equal to what? 16. So I maximum is to I minimum is equal to 16 is to what? 1. So if you write it like this, it is 16 is to 1.